Kidsq TV.
Getting to know birds. Hello, hello, hello. We are blue, brown and yellow. Some of us fly, some of us run, some of us swim, but we're all fun. B-I-R-D-S, we are B-I-R-D-S birds. We have wings and we have claws. We have feathers and we have beaks. We build our nests and lay our eggs. We are fun, hey, we are all fun. B-I-R-D-S, we are B-I-R-D-S birds. B-I-R-D-S, we are B-I-R-D-S birds. Have you seen a bird recently? A crow, a hen, or a sparrow? How are they different from other animals? Let's get a closer look at the world of birds in this module. At the end of this module, you will be able to describe what birds are, explain how birds move, describe what birds eat, identify the different types of beaks birds have, recognize how various kinds of feet and claw structures help birds in their living habits. Are birds a part of the animal kingdom? Yes, they are. But they are unique in their looks and food habits. And unlike other animals, most birds can fly. They have wings instead of arms or paws. They have beaks in place of mouths and teeth. They do have a tongue, but unlike ours, it has a bone in it. They also have feathers that keep them warm and help them fly. Did you know? A bird has feathers all over its body. These differ in shape, color, and design. Down feathers are the fluffy feathers that keep the body warm or insulated. Flight feathers are long and sturdy feathers attached to the wings and tailbone. These help birds to fly. Most birds can fly. Crows, cuckoos, pigeons, and sparrows are flying birds. Some of them, like ostriches and emus, can run very well, and some others, like penguins and ducks, are good swimmers. A number of bird groups can do a combination of these. For example, a duck can swim and run, and also fly short distances. Pigeons fly and also run short distances. Penguins can swim and run. Did you know? Ostrich is the fastest running bird, but it cannot fly. It is also the fastest two-legged runner among all animals on earth. The ostrich is also the largest bird. Birds fly by flapping their wings and using their tails to steer. A flying bird's body is designed to enable this special skill. Let's have a look. Birds have strong but lightweight flight feathers and streamlined body structure. Their bodies are also lightweight. The wings are shaped to give lift while flying. The skeleton of the bird is made up of bones that are hollow and light. The muscles are strong and help the wings to move. Birds are also equipped with strong hearts and an efficient way of breathing that makes them strong enough to fly. Did you know? The study of birds is called ornithology. A scientist who studies birds is called an ornithologist. Flying takes a lot of energy. Birds need to eat a lot of food to power their flight. Most birds eat insects. Some birds, such as owls and eagles, are flesh eaters, and others, like the hummingbird, grouse, and Canada goose, are mostly plant eaters. Birds like starlings eat both plant and meat. There are some birds, like the toucan, that eat only fruits. Did you know? Some amazing hunters, like eagles, have eyesight that is 5 to 6 times sharper than that of a human being. They can spot small prey from a mile away. Although all birds have beaks, have you noticed that all of them are not of the same shape? Nature has shaped bird beaks to help birds in their eating and living habits. We will now see different types of beaks and their uses. Kites, eagles, vultures, and owls have strong, sharp, and curved beaks that help in tearing flesh. Grain-eating birds like pigeons, peacocks, and sparrows have short, hard, and horny beaks that help them in picking up and crushing seeds and grains. Parrots have curved and hooked beaks that help in cracking nuts and climbing trees. Hoopoes and sunbirds have long and slender beaks that help in pulling out insects from holes in the ground. Woodpeckers have strong and chisel-shaped beaks that help in making holes in tree barks to pull out insects to eat. Swallows have broad and short beaks which help in catching flying insects. These birds keep their beaks open while flying so as to catch insects. These beaks are sticky inside. Ducks have broad and flat beaks which help in finding food in muddy water. Their beaks have tiny holes on the sides. The duck takes in muddy water with insects, worms, and water plants. The water flows out along with the mud through the tiny holes, leaving the plants and insects inside. Birds have 2 legs and 2 feet. The claws can be seen at the tip of the toes of the birds. They use their feet to move, catch food, and to protect themselves from enemies. The structure of the feet and claws are not the same for all birds. The living habits of birds are adapted to the feet structure. This helps the birds in certain actions. Birds like crows that perch on branches or clotheslines have 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. Front toes look like fingers and back toe are similar to our thumbs. These help birds to hold on to the branch while perching. A hen has 3 toes in front and 1 short toe at the back. It also has a small 5th toe, a little higher up at the back of the leg. Each toe has a horny claw. These toes help them to scratch earth and catch insects and buried seeds. Water birds, like ducks, have webbed feet. The 3 toes in front are joined by skin webs, which help them to push back water while swimming. They also have 1 toe at the back. Cranes and herons walk through mud and water for hunting fish. They have long legs with spread out toes that help them do this. These toes keep them from sinking into mud. Eagles and vultures have sharp and curved claws called talons that are used to grip small animals like rats and toads. Woodpeckers and parakeets have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 toes pointing downwards. These help them to climb and cling to trees. In this lesson, you learned that birds are unique in their looks and food habits. Wings, beaks, feathers, and the tongue with a bone are some of their unique features. Most birds fly, but some birds can run and swim too. Birds fly by flapping their wings and using their tails to steer. Their bodies have a unique mechanism and structure that enable them to fly. Food habits vary from bird to bird. There are insect eaters, flesh eaters, and plant eaters. Bird beaks and feet are designed to facilitate their eating and living habits.
Please subscribe our channel for quiz and worksheet of this video. And for more free stuff, visit kidsq.me. Link is in description.